sky. M is for monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest, swayed by the breeze. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for parrot, colorful in flight. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rain falling down. S is for sun shining so strong. T is for train chugging along. U is for long rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for wheel rolling all round. X is for xylophone's musical sound. Y is for yacht, sailing so free. Z is for zebra, striped as can be.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.